Hi, my name is Warner Chavez. Today we're going to go over the third video of our series of the most underrated features of SQL Server 2014. What is the feature for today? It's the parallel implementation of the select into statement. So what is a select into? Let's go back to that. A select into is one where you take a query and it basically materializes the results of the query into a new table, right? So before in SQL Server, we had an original table, and when we used the select into, it was always one threaded operation. So what does it mean? It means that SQL Server will only use one CPU to read over the results and to write into the destination table. Now in 2014, they have implemented select into as a parallel operation. This means we have multiple threads all reading the original table and inserting into the new one. This makes this operation a lot faster and a lot more efficient. So when do you want to use that? Well, select into is usually used for materializing views, for example, for materializing temporary tables, or in general, when we just want to create a brand new table from the results of a pre-existing query. When are we going to use the parallel select into? Well, this is the nice thing. SQL Server 2014 already does this by default. So any of your queries that were select into before, just by upgrading to 2014, they might get parallel execution plans and you will get much better performance. And the nice thing as well is that you not only have control over how many threads are used with your general max degree of parallelism setting at the instance level, but you can also specify it as a hint in the select into statement. So you can have a select into with a maxed up hint of however many threads you want, depending on the performance of your system and how many cores you have in your system. And that's it.